Hello everyone, in this video we are going to make a small circuit using this DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor using Arduino. We are doing a small circuit when the room temperature is greater than 30 degrees Celsius and a LED just turned on. When the temperature dropped, the LED turned off. So let's make the circuit. Before we get into the video, please make sure to subscribe to this channel to get more videos like this every week. This is the DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor. So in this video I am going to show you how to connect the temperature sensor with Arduino board and doing some basic tasks. I will give all the details of this video in my blog and I will leave the link in the video description. So you can get the connection diagram and the Arduino code which I am using here, everything from my blog. So first I am connecting the power cable. First one is VCC, the positive current, and the brown cable to ground, and the yellow one to data. I am connecting this 5 volt input here and ground and the yellow data pin to 2, Arduino input pin 2. Okay. I have an LED, so I am connecting the long leg of the LED, the positive leg, to the number 13 and the ground to ground. I connected my Arduino board to my PC. So now I have to upload the code. I will explain the code right now. Here you can see we included the DHT library, so you have to find and install the DHT library first. So to do that, in the sketch menu, find include library and manage library and search for DHT, and you can see the DHT sensor library by Adafruit. Install that and install all. That's already installed in my PC, and we defined the DHT type as DHT11. That's a module type, and the LED pin has 13. Here we are collecting the data from the sensor, the humidity and the temperature in Celsius and the temperature in Fahrenheit. Here we run a condition. If the sensor does not provide any values, we give an error message, failed to read from DHT sensor. Here we are printing the humidities and temperature, Celsius and Fahrenheit. And here I wrote the LED function. If the temperature is greater than 30 degree, then the LED turn on, otherwise the LED turn off. Okay, I am verifying the code and choosing my Arduino port, or you can choose the Arduino by clicking the tools and select the Arduino port. Also you have to select the board type and click upload. The upload completed. So we can check the current temperature. You can see the current temperature right here, that is 77 is humidity and 27.0 Celsius and 80.60 Fahrenheit. I am going to hold this sensor in my hand, so it will acquire my hand temperature and it will starting to heat up. So here you can see the temperature is increasing 28.10, 28.18, and when it's reach 30 degree or more, the LED will turn on. So now you can able to see the temperature is 30 degree and 31 degree. The LED is turned on. Okay, this is one of the best thing we can ever do with the temperature sensor. You can see this is a relay module. We can use this as a switch, and we can set something like, if the room temperature is greater than 24 degree or 28 degree, then the fan should turn on. Or we can make lot of automation process related to the temperature by using the Arduino Uno board and the temperature sensor and using some relays or something like that. So here in the video we are lighting up the LED when the temperature reach 30 degrees Celsius. So we can use as many applications we want with this temperature scale. If you want to turn on your fan, turn on your AC, or you can do anything you want. I will make more videos related to home automation and robotics in the upcoming days. So hope you like this video. I will give all the details in my blog, and you can take it and you can make your own applications from that. Thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel and like the video.